How'd you miss it?
Go up this ramp. Go up this ramp.
Here it goes, there it goes.
Go there, go there, go. Dominick, go up a ramp.
He's too scared.
Oh, look, I'll go. Dominick, go up the ramp. Do the ramp, go up the ramp. Go up the ramp.
It's not scary at all. He said I don't want to yet.
Okay, well, there's another one right here, so do it.
No, you don't have to.
There he goes. No, he's not.
Do the ramp, do the ramp. Crash! Dang it!
He almost crashed.
I know, it would have been so funny.
Imagine you could move the tree and then him just going fast.
Go up a ramp!
He's a sissy.
Overcome Germany. Can't.
Jeremy.
Go up a ramp!
There he goes. Look. No, he's not.
Come on, do it! Oh, yeah!
Yeah,
Do this one!
Do this one, do this one! Woo! Woo!
Adrian, you get your $5.
I win $5.
Are you okay? Hey, look, these are brakes. What did we tell you? These are brakes. You know how to use your brakes? Why did you run into the fence? You're done.
I think it's on YouTube already.
Yeah.
You got many hits already?
Did you record?
That's on YouTube already.
Where's my $5? Where's my $5?
I know, these are brakes.